Camping Cookware. Bulin 13 pieces Camping Cookware Mess Kit Non-Stick Lightweight Backpacking Cooking Set. The Camping Mess Kit is made of safe, non-toxic aluminum with non-stick coating for easy cleaning. Collapsible bundle design let your camping cookware nest together and save a lot of space in your backpack. The cookware set can be hung over the open fire. Perfect for camping, hiking, backpacking, picnic. The camping dinnerware would also a great gift for anyone's. You will find the product link in addition to a special discount code when you visit the website link in the comments. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to get more offers. Camping supplies.